What you doing, Mimi? What you doing, Dewey? Hi, Dewey. Hi, Zoe. Dewey, you gotta go outside because you poo-poo. She wants to be a part of it all, but she came in the doggy door. Zoe, do a little dancey. Oh, pretty. Do a dancey. Oh, yes, you do a pretty dancey. There. Hi, Rimsky. Oh, you care about your ball, huh? Hi, Dewey. Hi, Mimi. Hi, Mimi, you pretty girl. What's she doing, Mimi? Oh, Mimi's so pretty. Meow. 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 Who's that? Is that Momi? Is that Momo? Hi, Momi. You got a bony, Mo? Is that your bony? Hi, Rimsky. You want your ball? Go get it. Okay, Dewey. Time to go out. Oh, Dewey's getting in your food. Rimsky, get her out of your food. Rimsky, the birdie is in your food. Rimsky, the birdie's getting your food.